Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can do if your video overlay is not working. So you'll obviously need two videos, like more than one video. You can either copy and paste it and make that video the overlay, or you can get another video and place it on top. Go to the blend mode section, and here you can kind of like blend the two videos together. You can adjust with all of the blend modes that they have here, of course, and just select the one that suits the video the most. It could also be because of a layer problem. So I suggest you going to modify and enabling the arrange layers, which I have for all my projects. It's just easier that way. But yeah, that is it. Super simple. You'll just need to have more than one video to make it an overlay, of course. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.